Okay guys, so what I do is I already have the rest of my hair section off, but I wanted to do this part on camera. I take a section and I make 2 sections, and then from those 2 sections I will make 4 sections, if that makes sense. It's kind of hard to explain it, but if you guys watch it, you'll see what I mean here. And that's my daughter. She was just talking to me in the background. Yeah. But I just take this part and I section it off so it won't get in the way. I usually use clips for this part, but I don't think I knew where they were at. And this is what I meant when I said that I make another section. So I'm going to take that, add some shiny gem, and then put the rubber bands on there and connect those parts, if that makes sense. So then this is what I do, and then after that I'm going to make some cornrows and connect those sections that I made and just connect them all to the cornrows, if that makes sense as well. I don't know, that's the best way I can explain it, guys, but you guys will see more of that in the video.
Pass me the Hennessy, let me tell you what I see. It is written in the stars what I see. She a tell me say her boyfriend YC. Man a feeling so icy, vibesy. Man a bad man, you can call me YB. And I step in at the yard with no ID. And we a bossy down with no Ivy. See the girl them pull up.
So what I just did was added the 2 rubber bands in the front, and then I'm going to connect those to the 2 sections that I create in the back. So you see I got those 2 sections. So I'm going to put some shiny gem on it and then just connect those. So the one closest to my ear that I just made, I'm going to take that one and connect it to the one towards the back. And then this one that I'm holding right now, I'm going to connect to the other one. It's really easy if you just watch it, because I feel like how I'm describing it sounds very confusing.
Original bad man. It's time for a little party. It's time for a little party.
Okay, so this is the finished product. This is how it looks as far as cornrow goes. Then I'm going to moisturize my scalp. I try to always make sure I remember to do this part. And then the hair that I'm using for this particular style is Criss Spring Twist. So I got caramel, and then I got a couple of packs of the color number 2. So I always like to start in the back when I do these type of styles. It's just easier for me to start in the back and then just work my way up. So that's what I do. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I do wish I added more hair more towards the top, so I could have did like a half up half down type situation, but your girl ran out of hair. So however, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and then I'll be back with how it looks once I get done with this install part.
Flex your body, make you free your mind. Man, they think about you all the time. Likkle party, make you get that wine. Bad girl, she a whine upon me. Good girl, you are moving naughty. Come have liquid gin and tonic. It's time for a little party. You can have all them drinks upon me. You can have all them drinks on me. See the girls, them a whine upon me. Them man, them a moving calmly. Me not tell you say me fire can cool. Me not tell you say me nothing can do. But the vibes ain't everybody can do. On the streets say me really can move. Bad girl, she a whine upon me. Good girl, you are moving naughty. Come have liquid gin and tonic. It's time for a little party. It's time for a little party. You can have all them drinks upon me. You can have all them drinks on me. To the girls, them a whine upon me. Them man, them a moving calmly. Original bad man, oh. I like your vibe. Don't get me started. I know you.
Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Alicia Jones, and I'm back again with a new video. In today's video, as you guys can see, I just installed these spring twists, and these are by Criss. I don't think I've tried spring twists by them. I did try passion twist before, and this is how they come packaged. I used a mixture, which is Caramel Melt, and I used the color number 2. I basically used 4 bags, or did I use 5? So I used 4 bags. I bought 5, I used 4. I just did my hair up last night and I installed it today. It's usually quicker and easier for me when I do it that way. So this is that caramel color up real close, and it's literally so cute. You got some 33 up in there. It's like some burgundy 30. Yeah, so it's really cute, and I didn't feel comfortable doing my whole head that way, which is why I snuck that number 2 up in there. But this is so quick, it's so easy. Y'all know I like to come on here and do a quick review of my installs when I'm done with them. And yeah, the hair was easy to install. The loops, these are the loops are super quick to open. It don't give you no problems. Y'all know some hairs you gotta fight to get that loop open. So, and you can literally stretch it as far as you want to stretch it. So I really like that. This is just what a twist looks like, and then this is the bottom. So cute. I like this hair. Y'all know I'm a free Criss stan. I love basically almost any product by them, but this is where it comes to. It's 18 inches, and yeah, y'all, that is it. That's the deets on this hair. I feel like it was $5 to $6.99 a pack. I'm not sure, but I love it. I'm gonna keep this up for a little minute, but y'all know, as usual, well, a short minute, because y'all know I like to switch it up. But yeah, got back from Vegas not too long ago, had to take their hair down, and this is what we rocking. So as I said before, this is my twist, braids, or lock series that I'm doing this summer. So this is the next style. I hope you guys enjoyed. I still have yet to upload my passion twist video, but you guys stay tuned for that. I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.